Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Brendan here, aka Cliff Jumper. We are back on the Corrado today with what should theoretically only take us a few minutes to manage. So let's get into some mischief and fix the car. So I give my son's Jetta a hard time, saying it's really quite extra because she always demands attention, but the reality is this is not new to our family. I have a VR6 Corrado with a supercharger on it, and she demands attention. So today, as I was driving, smelling a little bit of it gave me the cologne of exhaust, but it wasn't quite exhaust, but it smelled wrong. Something was off, and it was coming through the vents, and sure enough, when I come back in here and look, oh, hey, the breather hose has torn. Now this, if you are familiar with the VR6 motor, this is the upgraded one from the Mk4 VR6, which isn't supposed to do this, but I got to remind myself, even the Mk3s are 20 odd years old now, 25 years old. So that is a pretty old part, and it gave up the ghost. Fortunately, I purchased an upgraded one. I think it was from Gruven. I'm going to have to double check my history to see where I bought it, but I will leave a link in the description. There's a company that made one, and I've got it right here. I had it on my naturally aspirated setup before I went supercharged, and it's still hanging out on my naturally aspirated intake. So I'm going to just take that off, transplant it on here, and we should be off to the races once again with the Corrado. There is a big grocery list of things that needs to be done on the car, but we are not doing the grocery list today because I also got to get over and do some more work on Miss Extra over there. Let's get to the Corrado. mischief managed. Now this connector is kind of rubbing against this hose here. There's a bunch of stuff in very tight proximity. That's just going to pop up. That's close, but it should be all right. I might need to do some sort of separator or rotate this ever so slightly just to give it more of an angle there. I want to have this hose in place and not just go straight hose because it passes so close to the heat shield of the exhaust manifold, and I don't want to melt a hole in a place where there's oil fumes passing through because fire. So that's why we want to make sure that that is kilted off to the side and out of the way, not touching that manifold or the heat shield. And that's that. So mischief managed, the Corrado is ready to go. Great to keep spare parts around because, whew, hunting for that part in a junkyard, not that many VR6s around anymore to scavenge parts off of, and it would be an old part that would probably break as well. So I will drop a link in the description. Whether you've got a supercharged VR6 or a naturally aspirated one, that hose is problematic with our old cars, and you can get a brand new one that'll last you much longer than the original one, which should be pretty good. So hope that helped you out. God bless you. Have a great day. Please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.
And on that terrible disappointment, it's time to say goodbye. We'll be back.